y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside your car. Please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños. Gracias. Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated at all times. Arms, feet, legs, and all appendages inside your car.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
This is the TTA Blue Line.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Borak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky, the absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight mode.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future. By two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City, Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny board. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are plumbers.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear at oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
This is Starboard 75.
Or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destinations.
Relaxation wash over you at the most refreshing retreat in the galaxy, the Coral Rooms of Pisces 7. You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
soon. Thank you. Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31.
Hop aboard and launch high above.
Is it good? Don't just they're powered smoothie water mix. Ouchie! Really? Put your feet down.
Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover, for your safety, please remain seated. Mr. Officers will be with you in just a moment to assist with exiting the attraction. Please advise of any assistance is needed. Again, please remain seated until our booster hostess arrives to assist you. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your patience. Thank you.
Well, after 4 breakdowns on the PeopleMover today, we're actually getting evacuated off. I've never ever been evacuated off any Disney ride, so this is a first for us. It's not like the sinking of the Jungle Cruise or the sinking of the Splash Mountain, but this is something new, the PeopleMover. It's just really weird for us because we know it's wrong. Well, you never get on Peter Pan. You're not getting on if you don't have a fast pass tonight.
Peter Pan.
Oh, they still gotta walk that big mile walk today.
Peter Pan is the best.
Here they come. Look at that big walk they gotta do.
Peter Pan or Jungle Cruise? 7
Wow.
is the moon. The second 7 doors is Peter Pan or Jungle Cruise. Okay. Did you just say P or P? Peter Pan.
I actually prefer to ride this whole ride to the end. I really like this ride. It's a shame it broke.
Really not off camera, Dad. We're going on this side.
And there they go down, walking down. We're inside Buzz Lightyear now, huh?
Buzz Lightyear.
They can't see us.
Buzz Lightyear. Marley.
I love this.
Attention, Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. Warriors get
Here we go. There's secret door.
Imagine.
You got all the passes? Yep. You need all 4 so we can get all the fast passes they'll give us. Yep. The secret door.
Ooh, stairs. Walking in the stairs. Look at the It's a secret door.
Yes.
You want to know?
But actually, it's been here.
Now we're in the kingdom, Dad. Here's the magic.
This is sad. Where is that? The store? No, outside. Yeah, it's outside.
The secret entrance.
The big ones like 7 Horse Mine Trainer, Peter Pan, or Space Mountain. But if you want to see the whole list, just go to your app.
The cards.
Experience. You can use it at any time at any of those rides that are listed. You don't even have to schedule a time. It's under tickets. Thank you. So after you guys leave, go onto your app, click on where it says multiple experience lightning lane. It'll give you a full list of every ride it's good at. You don't have to make a reservation. You just go to that attraction, go to lightning lane, and you're on.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, we have to get, but that means that we can't use it today. We can't use it today. Because he said that's what it was. That's what the door was.
We're over here. Well, that's the end of the PeopleMover, guys, and they put us out over here near the Stitch. The secret entrance over here.
Wait, were you filming?
Let me turn that off. Follow them. We're inside Buzz Lightyear now, huh?
Buzz Lightyear.
They can't see us.
Buzz Lightyear. Marley.
I love this.
Attention, Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. Warriors get
Here we go. There's secret door. You got all the passes? Yep. You need all 4 so we can get all the fast passes they'll give us. Yep. The secret door.
But that means that we can't use it today. We can't use it today. Because he said that's what it was. That's what the door was.
We're over here. Well, that's the end of the PeopleMover, guys, and they put us out over here near the Stitch. It's the secret entrance over here.